Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, copyright violators, haters of Art Bell, haters or cheapskates. And once again, we are doing an unboxing video with the question, this video could be live, and it's not. Why? So, if you want to see me get a new iPad, where I could do live via T-Mobile, and all these videos, and I've got a ton of stuff here to unbox. We're only going to see two of them today. Then donate to Falky2013 at gmail.com. I need $324 to buy a brand new iPad that is 3 miles from me. And I could be live within 24 hours. But instead, I will take the rest of the unboxing videos and store them. And I'm going to take 2 weeks off to get this place straightened out. Alright, this comes from Mishawaka, Indiana. So, let's open it up. And this is a book by the late Stanton Friedman. Probably or possibly the last book he wrote before his untimely death. Doesn't want to come out. And of course, people keep saying they want to see me go live, they love my videos, and yet they will not contribute to the channel. So the channel is going on vacation. Alright. Science was wrong. Startling truths about cures, theories, and inventions they declared impossible. Stanton T. Friedman and Kathleen Martin. 2 months for the Wright brothers' flight at Kitty Hawk, the top scientists declared no possible combination of known substances can be united in a practical flying machine. Germ theory was first advanced in ancient Sanskrit texts thousands of years ago, but wasn't widely accepted till late in the 19th century. Space travel was declared utter bilge in 1956 by the British astronomer Royal, one of a long line of scientists who, quote, end quote, proved it was impossible. Throughout history, it has been difficult, even impossible, to promote the acceptance of new discoveries. Yet during the last 2 centuries, there has been a veritable explosion of new cures, theories, techniques, and inventions that have revolutionized aviation, space travel, communications, medicine, and warfare. Most of them were deemed, of course, impossible. And this was done in 2010, so it's not his last books, but we have here various scientists: Charles Lindbergh, Billy Mitchell, UFOs, global warming, mercury, hemophilia, smallpox, cold fusion, communications, technology. Somebody read this book and turned over a page, which is sacrilege. I never do that to a book. I can remember what page I read. So, there you go. There it is. I'll be reading this and reviewing it, but this will go on the shelf with my other Stanton Friedman books. Alright, that's Burgh unboxing number 2, and I asked the question, why aren't you donating? If you want to donate to help me get a new iPad, donate to Falky2013. It's really hard to talk with this thing. It's not as swollen, but when I start talking, it starts to slur my speech and it kind of hurts. Falky2013 at gmail.com. That's my PayPal account. If you want to see me get a new iPad and go live. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I asked the question, this video could be live. Why isn't it? You know why. Because you're not willing to donate. So I can get a new iPad or repair the old one, but I'd much rather get a newer one, brand new iPad, 10.2-inch iPad, Wi-Fi and cellular, $324. All right. Have a great night. It's very hot here. Got to go off to the store and get my antibiotics. And I'll do the other videos, but they're going to go in the can and sit till I see if you're the people that say they love my videos and can't wait to see me go live again will put their money where their mouth is, because they're all talk and no walk. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hope you stay cool because it's hot here. It's supposed to be 90 in the Bay Area, and PG will be cutting off the power in 30 California counties because of fire danger. So that's going to be fun, sitting in the dark again. I may not be able to do live videos. I'm not going to have any power. If this is a case of they may cut power, but they'll do it in Alameda County, Contra Costa County. I sent the email to all my email lists, and Richard C. Hoagland thanked me for that. He said he'll notify his friends in California that may not be aware of this. So PG&E goes wild. All right. Have a great night. I will catch you next time. And you could be seeing all of these videos that I'll make up tonight live, including the one in the giant box. But they won't be live if I don't get donations to buy the new iPad. Bye-bye for now.